Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add bulk order pie on your Shopify single product page without any app. So, if you want to increase your store sales or increase your business sales, just adding the advanced pie on your Shopify online store in the product page that directly encourage your customers or change your customers mind to buy from single product to multiple product, like single order to bulk order, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share the every step-by-step process with ready code snippet on which product you want to provide the discount based on bulk order. So, if you want to start learning from scratch without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, without any experience, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. My name is Faisal Ahmed, a 6 years experience Shopify developer and SEO expert. I love to share my skill and experience in this YouTube channel, and I have already published more than 1000 video from last 6 years relevant Shopify store design, development and customization. Also, I have published a real life Shopify store SEO project, how to rank a Shopify store organically on the search result and how to do SEO to find your store on search result. So if you specifically need such service like store design, customizer, development, Shopify store SEO, then you can contact with me. Okay, so now let's go to the main point. Here you can see that I have already building a store only for design purpose or tutorials purpose, and I have added this pie on a specific product. Here is the product name, you can see. So you can see that here is the buy more save more, buy 2 get 10%, buy 3 get 20%, and buy 6 get 30%. And here is the price of this product. And first of all, I'm going to click on the add to cart, just one quantity. Then let's see what's happened in here. You see no discount right now. Here's the original price. Go back, just remove it and search again for this product. And now I'm going to click on the buy 2 get 10% off, and let's see what's happened. Wow, I have added buy 2 and want to get 10% off. So click on the view card. You see here's the price 36 instead of 40 because I get 10% off because I purchased 2 item or 2 quantity here. So this is the process that is work, and ultimately this type picture directly help your customers to change their mind to buy single item to multiple item. And if I click on the buy 3, then let's see what's happened. View card, and buy 3 in general it should be 5 into 20 100, but we're getting the 2% 20%, and that's why it's price 80. So I hope you understand how it's work. And in the same way, if I go any other product, for example, I'm going to open any one from here. Just try to open this one, and if I click on any product, for example, I want to buy this one, 2 item, click add to cart, and now view. You see it does not give any discount because we don't have added this pie for this product. We just added this pie only this specific product. Now the question is that how you can set up it. Before set up it, you must have to add the discount on your Shopify admin panel. So let's see. First we are going to our Shopify admin panel. Here is the discount. We have already created the discount. Also I have a lots of details video how to create discount based on different method and different type and how to set up it. So here you can see that I have added 3 discount. First one, buy 2 get 10% off. Let's me open this one. I added the title of this discount, buy 2 get 10% off, discount value percentage 10%, and applied on a specific product. Then I select this product, just click on the browse and select this one. Then eligibility for all customers and minimum quantity must be 2. And you see here's the details. So we must have to set up such discount in the discount section to get this picture to work it. And in the same way I have added this one. Let me open, just duplicate it. 1 second. You see buy 3 get 20%, and select this product, minimum quantity 3 item. In the same way buy 6 30%, minimum quantity 6. So this is the process of backend or dashboard, how you can set up it. Now you have to start working on code, but I already shared that you don't have to write any code, you don't have to know any code, or you don't have to require any coding skill. That's why you just follow the process and apply it on your Shopify online store. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on this 3 dot icon, edit code. Very simple process. Okay, we have to wait a little bit time. Open the done folder, then open snippet folder. Here is the snippet folder, and simply click on the add new file and create a new file name bulk order add to cart bottom.liquid. So when you create the new file under the snippet folder, you just simply paste this code. Now your question is that where you will get this code. To get this code for free, you must have to send me message by WhatsApp with this video link that I have watched this video and require the ready code snippet to apply on my store. You just have to send this message including your store address by WhatsApp, then you will get the ready code snippet. Okay, so first you have to do this. After that you have to search main product .liquid under section folder. So here is the main product. Then you have to search when and go to the last when, inventory description as a when customer, when collapse, when quantity, when pop-up, when share, when rating, when complement. And here's the last when. You see when icon with text. You have to find this one, then create some space and simply paste this code before int case. You must have to add this code before int case. You see we just render the file that we have created on snippet folder bulk add to cart button. We just render it in here. Okay, after that you have to find out another line of code, or you have to directly go to the schema section, and in the schema section you have to do another things. Simply search buy button in here, buy button, then you will find the type buy button, and after int of this option just make a space and simply add this code. You see here is the code, the full code, it's ended in here, and you will find this code source in a file with proper direction with step-by-step process, so that you can easily understand when you open this code snippet file. Okay, you have to add this comma after enter of this code, then simply save. So you have done so far, you don't have to do anything else. Just go to your Shopify admin panel again, click online store and click on the edit theme and search this product. Which one is selected? Let me show you which one is selected on the discount settings. You see, we have selected this product, so I'm going to copy this product name and search. Here is the product, and simply open product description, and here you will find this bulk order picture. In the bulk order picture, you can customize tags, you can customize title, you can customize lots of things in here. You see, you can customize the title, color, you can change the divider color. For example, I'm going to add this one. You see, here is the divider color. Okay, in the same way you can change every color from here: bottom background, bottom text color. You see, and finally you have to click on the save. I'm going to check this page product again. You see, it's working. Let's remove everything, remove and remove, search again. So click on buy 3 get 20% off. Yes, view card, and you see, here is the 20% off on each item. So I hope you understand the total process, how it's work, how you can implement it, and what is the benefit of this P chart. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.